Hey guys, this is the BaoFeng Walkie Talkies for adult, the 3 pack. Rechargeable walkie talkies, two-way radios, long range, 22 channels, NOAA weather alert, and this flashlight works with earpiece, lithium ion battery. So I will show you all this one by one. So this is the manual that comes with it. This is the headphone. So this have the mic and the headphone all together that you can use. So you can see like with this one there's a like back cover, so you can remove this back cover, and there is a lithium ion battery supplied one, so there are 3 lithium ion batteries for 3 sets. So I'm just removing the protection, and you put this lithium ion battery inside your walkie talkie. Cover it. So these are like the charging cables, so you can use one USB to charge 2 walkie-talkie because they have the two cables with this one. And this is the belt clip, so there are 3 belt clips like that. So this is a USB-C cable that you can use, and the side is the rubber grip, so you can use it here to charge your walkie-talkies. So these are the lanyards, like the 3 lanyards that you can poke it in your neck. So the use is pretty straightforward. You can charge your walkie-talkies with this supplied USB cables. So I'm just putting it into the USB here, and you can see the charging started. So all these buttons are described here, how to set it up, and this have the weather things as well. You can set all this up. So there are 22 channels, and you have to set 2 devices on the same frequency so that they can use. So they have the voice, like the voice like without the pressing the button, or this is the push to talk button. So this is the flashlight, very bright flashlight, 3 modes. So as I said, this is the charging port, so you can charge from this one. And then there is for the headphone and the mic that I mentioned to use this. So you just put it there and you can use it directly. So it's the weather channel. So you can scan this, can scan whatever is available. So keep pressing the weather channel if you want to get it scanned and started. Now to set up the frequency, you need to like check it on the same frequency, and then you can push to talk with each other. So I'm just testing it. It's really nice and fun, and I will check the range. The clarity is good. So this is outdoor. I'm just trying to check. So I also checked it for a little far distance, and voice is really clear. Like I checked it up to like 0.3, 0.4 miles, but I can clearly hear the thing whether in the car or whether in the house. So the range is also nice. In the open space, the range will be really better.